Fifth also morning. Oh my
The
god.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McPherson County,
Holy.
southwestern Marion County, until 1:15 p.m.
Fifth also
At
morning.
12:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gothel, or 8 miles northeast of Moundridge, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications.
Damn.
The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Marion, Gothel, Lehigh, and Marion Lake.
That was the first.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McPherson County, southwestern Marion County.
That was unexpected.
At 12:21 p.m.
Well, I don't think there's gonna be a new one. See you later. It's Fifth also morning.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marion County until 2 p.m. At 1:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marion, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Wasn't that
You can
great?
expect quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following
Goodness.
impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Marion, Florence, and Marion Lake.
Okay.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until...
Okay, well, see you at the next alert. Maybe. Also, we might get an EAS compilation and possibly on Friday, because we got a day 6. Sorry for the mess in my room. Anyways, bye.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Chase County, east central Marion County,
That's not me.
until 2:30 p.m.
I'm good.
At 1:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Florence, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Yeah, I was looking at that
You
hook
can
on
expect
radar.
quarter-size hail.
It's got a hook a little
The
bit.
warning was based on an emergency management report. The following
Uh-oh.
impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Cottonwood Falls, Strong City, Florence, Bazaar, Elmdale, Cedar Point, Tallgrass Prairie, and Tallgrass Prairie Preserve.
Also we're in a marginal risk and a slight risk.
Here's a look at weather conditions at 1 p.m. Wichita was partly.
Anyways, bye.